अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस हम पढ़ रहे हैं और इसमें आईजीसीएसई या ओ लेवल्स का ये कोर्स है बेसिक अलजेब्रा का। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करते वक्त हमें कंप्लीट स्क्वायर मेथड भी आना चाहिए, ठीक है। सो हेयर यू गो। अब फॉर एग्जांपल अब इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहे हैं कि एक्सप्रेस ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग expressions in the form of x plus a whole square plus b. This is known as complete square form. तो जो अभी फर्स्ट पार्ट हमारे पास है that is x square plus 10x. अच्छा, आप लोगों को इसका रूल याद होगा, राइट? We have discussed it in our yesterday's lesson. Rule was very simple that जो coefficient of x है that is coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square must be added. So यहाँ पे 10 है, so what you're going to do is 10 divided by 2 whole square, that makes it 5 square. तो आपने 5 square add और subtract कर लेना है यहाँ पे, ठीक है। The moment you add and subtract 5 square, ये वाली जो चीज़ है left side पे, so this value will make it x plus, sorry, this value will make it x plus 5 whole square and minus ये 5 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, that is equal to 25. If you notice this thing that x square plus 10x minus plus 5 whole square, this is basically a square plus b square plus 2ab, ठीक है। अच्छा, अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करके देखना चाहते हो, there is another way. We can do it in this way: x square plus 2 times x into 5, because this 10x can be written in this way, and then 5 square added and subtracted, ठीक है। ये वाली वैल्यू इसलिए आपने लिखनी है कि यहाँ पे देख लो कि 10x is basically product of 2 into 5. So this whole thing is basically expansion of x plus 5 whole square and minus 25. So that's it. You had to write it in this form. ये आपने लिख लिया, right? Let's move to next part. Remember, we are going to use the same concept for completing square here. Now coefficient of x is 5 here. So what we are going to do is 5 divided by 2 whole square must be added and subtracted. So we have x square minus 5x plus 5 divided by 2 whole square minus 5 divided by 2 whole square. Now this is an expression. Remember, in quadratic expressions or in any kind of expressions, whatever you have to add, you have to subtract it as well. जो भी आपने add करना है, साथ ही subtract भी करना है. By adding, so this whole thing will become x minus 5 by 2 whole square and minus 25 divided by 4. अच्छा, अब मैंने यहाँ पे if you see माइनस क्यों लिखा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपके पास x माइनस 5 है और यहाँ पर आपके पास x स्क्वायर प्लस 10x था. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, ठीक है। अच्छा, ये एक केस हमारे पास थर्ड इस तरह का आ रहा होता है. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू व्हेन वी हैव सच सिचुएशन, देखिए ये वाला 3 ये सिर्फ आपने साथ कैरी करना है. दिस इज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x, ठीक है। ये 3 साथ साथ आपके पास आता रहेगा. ये यहाँ पे आपने 3 लिख दिया. इट कीप कमिंग. Now coefficient of x divided by 2. So what we are going to do? We are going to add and subtract. By doing so, ये वाली वैल्यू पूरी की पूरी आपके पास बन जाएगी. This is x plus 1 square minus 1 plus 3. That makes it x plus 1 whole square plus 2. ठीक है? Is it clear? Now here is another question. Solve a quadratic equation by completing square. अच्छा, यूजुअली ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपको स्पेसिफिक मेथड यूज़ करना पड़े. बट प्रॉब्लम इज़ व्हेन एग्जामिनर इज़ आस्किंग यू कि आपने भाई कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड ही यूज़ करना है, तो फिर आपके पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. यू हैव टू फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन इज एक्स स्क्वायर plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? Our first job is to take 3 over there, so this will become x square plus 4x is equal to 3. Now on left hand side, what should we add to make it a complete square? That is coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square must be added. So that is, in this scenario, 4 divided by 2, that makes it 2. So 2 square added and subtracted, or what you can do here in this scenario, you can add 2 square on both sides. ठीक है ना, इक्वेशन है, इक्वालिटी है, वट एवर वी डू एनी ऑपरेशन कैन बी डन ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड. ये बेटा आपके पास क्या बन गया यहाँ पे, x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर is equal to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. So x plus 2 whole square is equal to 7. Now in order to proceed from this point, अभी हमने previous video में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि अगर हमारे पास ये सिचुएशन आ जाए, we are going to take square root on both sides. ठीक है, so take square root on both sides, square root on both sides, on both sides. On both sides, और ये आपके पास आ जाएगा x plus 2 whole square is equal to 7 under root, so that makes it x plus 2 is equal to plus minus under root 7. So x plus 2 is equal to plus under root 7 and x plus 2 is equal to minus under root 7. ठीक है, and we have x is equal to under root 7 minus 2 and x is equal to minus under root 7 minus 2. You can use your calculators to find out the answers, और आपने answers अपने 2 decimal places तक लिखने होंगे. So this is basically how we solve a quadratic equation using complete square method. ठीक है? Good. Next question is, solve each of the following, give your answers to 2 decimal places where necessary. So in part A, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 9. अब ये बात आपने याद रखनी है कि whenever we have square and we have such situation, we take square root on both sides. तो यहाँ पर भी आपने simple कहना है कि take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides. On both sides. That is going to be x plus 1 whole square is equal to 9, right? And x plus 1 is equal to plus minus 3, right? So x plus 1 is equal to 3 and x plus 1 is equal to minus 3. यहाँ से आपके पास आ जाएगा x is equal to 3 minus 1, it is 2, and आ जाएगा यहाँ से minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. So these are 2 values of x which you can use to find a value of x in this equation. ठीक है? अच्छा, next question. Next question we have is एक हम कोई question इसका कर लेते हैं which is interaction. So let's solve part D. In part D it is, this is part D, that is 7 minus 3x whole square is equal to 9 divided by 16. Okay. Now seven minus 3x whole square is equal to 9 divided by 16. What we do is we take square root sign. 7 minus 3x is equal to plus minus under root 9 divided by 16. It is 7 minus 3x is equal to plus minus, that is 3 by 4. ठीक है? Now we split it. 7 minus 3x is equal to 3 by 4 and 7 minus 3x is equal to minus 3 by 4. It is 7 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 3x. 7 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 3x. Right? And we have 20, we take LCM. 28 minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 3x. It's 25 divided by 4 is equal to 3x. So 3 नीचे जाके उससे 4 से multiply हो जाएगा. That makes it 25 divided by 4 3s are 12. So this is your value of x. Similarly, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? That is equal to, we take LCM, that is equal to 4. That is equal to 4. So 28, 7 4s are 28 plus 3 is equal to 3x. 31 divided by 4 is equal to 3x. So it is 31 divided by 12. So this is value of x. ठीक है बेटा? Now I want you to pause my video और ये जो questions हैं ये आप वीडियो पॉज करके बाकी थोड़े से खुद ट्राई करें. ठीक है? Okay. Once you have done it, we have next question. And next question is related to this. You can use any method to solve a quadratic equation. ठीक है? So we can either use quadratic formula or complete square or anything. So the easiest is by using formula. अब उसने खुद कह भी दिया है. So 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. I hope you people remember कि quadratic formula क्या था. If we have a, here you go. If we have ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then quadratic formula is equal to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? So here you go. Now in this question we have a, we have b and we have c. So quadratic formula is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 16 plus 60 divided by 6. That is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 76 divided by 6. And now we are going to use the concept that if x is equal to minus 4 plus 76 divided by 6 and x is equal to minus 4 minus 76 divided by 6. So we have two answers for this, x and x equals to the second value. Okay, you can put the whole thing in calculator to count what it is. अच्छा, next आपके पास है if I have such situations कि I'm giving the question and I'm asked to simply solve it without any direction कि आपने complete square method use करना है, quadratic formula use करना है or anything you want to use. So it's totally up to you कि आपने जो method भी use करना है you can use. So let's solve question. Let's solve part C, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now your a value, let's solve it with quadratic formula. A is 2, b is negative 7 and c is also 2. Quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus minus under root, that is equal to b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. You substitute the values, minus 7 plus minus under root, that is b square minus 4a and c whole divided by 2a, that is equal to 2 into 2. So x equals 7 plus minus under root, that is 49 minus 16 divided by 4. So it is 7 plus minus under root 49 minus 16 is 33 divided by 4. And what we are going to do is x is equal to 7 plus 33 under root divided by 4 and x is equal to 7 minus under root 33 divided by 4. एक दफ़ा प्लस के साथ और एक दफ़ा माइनस के साथ. We put the whole thing in calculator and we find the final answers, right? Okay students, again I want you to try these questions. मैथमेटिक्स में प्रैक्टिस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप लोग साथ साथ ही प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे, दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. ठीक है? So see you in my next video. So for till then, Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you.